Changing your plan on Doodle is a straightforward process that allows you to adjust your subscription according to your needs. Follow these steps to successfully change your plan. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Doodle website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the page, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select subscription or plan options. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled subscription or plan options. Click on this to view your current plan and available options for upgrading or downgrading. Step 4. Choose your new plan. Review the different plans available. Select the one that best fits your needs. Be sure to read any details regarding features and pricing associated with each plan. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the /com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily change your plan on Doodle. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Doodle's customer support for assistance.